The best grade. Lily and Zari walk out of their history class. Zari is holding a test. She's upset.
I got one question wrong on this test.
Only one wrong out of 50? Congratulations!
It's not good enough. Now I won't be able to go to college.
But you got the best grade in the class. You don't have to be perfect.
Yes, I do. Maybe there's something more I can do.
I don't understand why you want to do more work. I always try to work less. Not more.
I really need a perfect grade.
I guess you could talk to Miss Schwartz if it's that important.
Great idea.
Zari goes to talk to Miss Schwartz. Later, she finds Lily at lunch.
I have great news.
Can you take the test again? Can you take the test again?
No, but I can improve my grade.
How?
I have to make a video about World War I by Friday.
That's a lot of work. How are you going to do that all by yourself? That's a lot of work. How are you going to do that?
I'm not. You're going to help me.
What?
Sorry, it was your idea.